Emergency. Emergency. One has manifested a massive, anomalous storm system in the dimension, generating 100 plus mile wind speeds, heavy debris, and spatial distortions. Giant Davidians are approaching from the south, and island wildlife has been displaced. Do not attempt to travel via the Goiky Canal or the Goiky Highway. If you are a contestant in the vicinity of the hotel, barricade all entrances, protect the hotel, and watch out for flying objects. Repeat. A Category 1 storm is occurring. Move to an interior room or shelter immediately. This station will provide updates as conditions permit.